In the right angle triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. Here angle A is 90 degree. If tan C is root 3. So root 3 is given. How to write that root 3 as numerator and denominator? Root 3 divided by 1. Then find the value of sine B, angle B, cos C, angle C, cos B, angle B, sin C, angle C. So now here answer what is given? Given it is tan C is equal to root 3, right? Tan C is root 3. So root 3 can be written as root 3 divided by 1. So now what is the definition of tan? It is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So tan C, the definition of tan is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here given is with respect to angle C. Now draw the angle or triangle with respect to this and get your sides. So triangle, right triangle here, otherwise right triangle here, angle A is 90 degree. C is our required angle, so this is B. So this is angle, so means this side is opposite side, this side is hypotenuse side, and this one is adjacent side, right? So now what is your opposite side? Opposite side is root 3. What is your adjacent side? 1. How to find hypotenuse side? So in the right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle, in right angle triangle ABC, not ABC, it is BAC because A is 90 degree, better to write at center. BAC, Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. What is your hypotenuse square? BC square. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. So AB square, so it is BC square is equal to AB square is what? Square root of 3 whole square plus AC square is what? 1 square. So now BC square. So BC square is equal to square root of 3 whole square is what? Square and square root cancel. It is 3 plus 1 square is 1. So BC square is equal to how much here? 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. BC square is 4. So what is the BC? Take square. So square root of that, square root of 4. Square and square root cancel. So BC is equal to how much? It is 2. So what is your BC? BC is hypotenuse side. So this is with respect to C, right? This is angle with respect to C. From this, what and all we can find out? We can find out what is your sin C, trigonometric ratio. Cos C, tan C, cosecant C, secant C and cot C. But to find this sin B, cos C, cos B, sin C, what we need? Cos C. So therefore, and right here, therefore, so what is the value of cos C? Cos C is equal to, for this triangle, so it is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is 1 divided by hypotenuse side is what? It is 2. The next which angle we need? Cos C. Next I need sin C. So get your sin C. So sin C is equal to what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So what is the opposite side? Opposite side is root 3. Hypotenuse side is 2. So it is root 3 divided by 2. So we got 2 values. Next I need sin B and cos B. How to get sin B and cos B? So you have to draw a separate triangle for B. So now in the triangle, right angle triangle BAC, Pythagoras theorem. So now draw the triangle and your angle is now I need sin B and cos B. Sin B and cos B. So you have to draw separate triangle for B angle. So this is your B. A is 90 degree. Now C is this one. So now opposite side is this one. Hypotenuse side is this one. This is your adjacent side. Now don't write the values of opposite side, hypotenuse side and adjacent side. Just write the values of AB. What is the value of AB from this figure AB? AB is how much here? Root 3. Don't see opposite side is root 3. Don't replace. So here AB I need sine AB. What is the value of sine AB? That is root 3. Root 3. Next I need sine AC. So what is your AC? AC is equal to 1. Next what I need? BC. BC is how much here? BC is 2. So all sides we got with respect to angle B. So you can find out what is your sine B and cos B. So sine B is equal to, sine is what? It is 1 divided by, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse, sine B, that is equal to 1 divided by 2. Next I need cos B. Cos B is what? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is root 3, hypotenuse side is 2. Now substitute here. So therefore now, so what to find here? Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C, right? Now substitute those values. So what is the value of sin B? Sin B, yes, sin B is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos C. Cos C is 1 by 2 plus this plus cos B. Cos B is what? Root 3 by 2 into sin C is what? Root 3 by 2, right? So now next is simplification. How to simplify? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4, right? 1 into 1, 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 into root 3, already you know, so many times it is repeated, it is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So denominator LCM is what? It is 4, that is what? 1 plus 3, right? So 1 plus 3 is what? 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So what is the value of sin B cos C plus cos B sin C? That is equal to 1. Next, if sin theta is 3 by 5, evaluate cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta divided by 2 cot theta. As now first, so what is given? Given is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what? 3 by 5. So what is the definition of sin theta? It is opposite side divided by hypotenuse side, right? So now I need cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. So for that we have to draw triangle. So in the triangle, so this angle is what? Theta. You can mark this as A, B, C. So A is 90 degree. So this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse side and this one is your adjacent side. So now apply in the right angle triangle. It is BAC. It is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what is a Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So BC square. Yes, first write the values. So opposite side is what? 3. Hypotenuse side is what? 5. So you need to find this your adjacent side. So BC square is how much here? 5 square is equal to AC square is 3 square plus AB square is this one, right? So now 5 square is how much here? 25 is equal to B square is 9 plus AB square. So now next 25 bring it to the side. So then it is, sorry, 9 bring it to the side. 25 minus 9 is equal to AB square. So 25 minus 9 is 16 is equal to AB square. So therefore AB square is equal to 16. Square root of AB square is equal to square root of 16. Square and square root cancel. So AB is equal to 4. What is your AB? AB is equal to your adjacent side. AB is your adjacent side. So now your substitution. So now what to find here? Now to find is cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta divided by 2 cot theta. So now cos theta definition is what? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. What is adjacent side? Adjacent side is 4. It is 4 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by, what is tan? Tan is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side, it is 3 divided by 4 whole divided by 2 into cot theta. What is the cot theta? Adjacent side divided by opposite side. That is 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. Once again I will check the substitution. Cos is 4 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by tan is 3 by 4. Next 2 cot is what? 4 divided by 3. So now simplification. 4 divided by 5 minus, this is numerator. This is numerator. This is denominator. So now bring this denominator to numerator. This is denominator. So bring this denominator to numerator. So then 1 means what numerator? 1 divided by 1. Denominator 3 by 4 means it is 4 divided by 3. Clear? 1 divided by tan. 1 is numerator. Tan is 3 by 4. So 1 means it is 1 divided by 1. Denominator to numerator means it is 4 divided by 2. Whole divided by 2 into 4 by 3. 2 into 4 is 8 divided by 3. Don't cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now next how to simplify that? That is equal to this 4 divided by 5 minus multiplication. 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 1 into 3 is 3. Whole divided by, it is equal to 8 divided by 3. Now this is your numerator part. This is your denominator part. Now tell me how to simplify that numerator. So this is your rough one. So rough work. So numerator simplification, 4 divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 3. So 5 and 3 are different. So what is the LCM of that? 5 into 3 is 15. LCM is 5 and 3 means there is no common factor. So 5 how much here? 5 ones are 3 as it is. 3 how much here? 3 ones are 3 ones are here. 5 into 3 50. 5 how much is 15? 5 3s are. 3 into 4 is 12 minus 3 how much is 15? 3 5s are. So it is 5. 5 into 4 is 20. So 12 minus 20 is how much here? Minus 8 divided by 15. Minus 8 divided by 15. Minus 8 divided by 15. Minus 8 divided by 15 divided by 8 divided by 3, right? Denominator. So this is your numerator and this one is your denominator. So now denominator to numerator. So minus 8 divided by 15 is 3 divided by 8. So how much here? 8 and 8 cancel. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So answer is numerator cancel means it is 1 and what is the sign? Minus. Divided by it is 5. So answer is minus 1 divided by 5. Next, if cos theta, sorry not cos theta, it is cot theta, sorry, it is cot theta is equal to 3 by 4. Cot theta, if cot theta is equal to 3 by 4, to that square root of secant theta minus cosecant theta, secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So now what is given? Given is, so cot theta is 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. So what is the definition of cot? Cot is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Right? So now triangle. So triangle is this one. This angle is theta. So you can mark it as A, B, C. this is opposite side, this one is hypotenuse side, and this one is adjacent side. So opposite side is how much here? Opposite side is 4. Adjacent side is what? 3. So cot definition is 3 by 4. Cot theta is 3 by 4. Yes, it is 3 by 4. So now you have to find your hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side is what? In the right angle triangle. Which one it is? BAC. Use Pythagoras theorem. So which is equal to BC square is equal to AP square plus AC square, right? So BC square. So BC square as it is equal to AB square is 3 square plus AC square is 4 square. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So therefore BC square is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. So square root of BC square is equal to square root of 25. So BC is equal to how much here? 5. So that is equal to your hypotenuse side, which is equal to 5. Now substitute here. So now substitution. Now what it is? Square root of secant theta minus cosecant theta divided by secant theta plus cosecant theta. So that is equal to under square root. Secant theta. What is the definition of secant theta? Hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. It is 5 divided by 3 minus cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is what? Hypotenuse side divided by opposite side. So 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4 whole divided by secant theta. Again it is 5 divided by 3 plus cosecant is what? 5 divided by 4. Now simplification. This is your numerator and this one is your denominator. So which is equal to square root of numerator simplification. This is rough word. Numerator simplification. It is what? 5 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 4. LCM 3 and 4 there is no factor. So means LCM is 12, right? 3 4s are 12. So 3 how much? 3 4s are 4 how much? 4 3s are. So that means 20 minus 15. So what is the LCM of numerator? It is 20 minus 15 divided by 12, right? So denominator again 3 and 4. LCM is 12. So numerator is 3 how much? 3 4s are 20 plus 15, right? So which is equal to square root of 20 minus 15 is 5 divided by 12 whole divided by 20 plus 15. It is 35 divided by 12, right? So it is under square root. So 5 divided by 12 into. This is your numerator and this one is your denominator. So now 12 divided by 35. So denominator to numerator means it changes. Reciprocal. 12 and 12 cancels. So this 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So we get is 1 divided by 7. But what to do here? 1 divided by square root of 7. How to split this? We can split this one. Square root of 1 divided by square root of 7. Square root of 1 is what? 1 divided by square root of 7, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. You can start by taking this as LHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. This you know, right? Square root of A divided by B. We can write it as square root of A, square root of B. Similarly, square root of 1 by 7 I wrote as square root of 1 divided by square root of 7. Square root of 3 by 2. How to write this? Square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. Now next, this table, trigonometry table. Already you know how to write this one. Again I will revise this. So it is easy to remember all the values of trigonometry ratios. So how to remember is, so first remember the order. So first must be 0 degree, next is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So now next here is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot understood? Otherwise, you have to remember all the values. So now how to remember the values? Next, so remember this one. This is 1. Next is 1 by 2. Next is 1 by root 2. Next is 60 means root 3 divided by 2. Sin 90 is 0. Means what? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is 1. Right? Now how to write cos value? It is from this side. So this value takes, it is 1. Next is root 3 by 2. Next is 1 by root 2. Next is 1 by 2. Next is 0. Right? So now how to remember the tan values? Tan values is sin this value divided by this one. That is 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. 1 divided by 0 is what? It is not defined or it is infinity. Not defined or infinity. Now next, how to get tan 30 equal to? Tan 30 how to get? It is this 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. I explained this in your regular class. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 means what is the answer? 1 by root 3. Right? So now next 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. The answer is 1. Next root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. Root 3 by 1 means it is root 3. So 1 divided by 0 means it is not defined or you can write as infinity. Both are same. So you got tan value. Now how to get secant value? How to get cosecant value? Cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So whatever value of sin, we should take as 1 by these values. Okay? So now cosecant 0. Cosecant 0. What is the sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. How to get cosecant? You know this one, right? Cosecant 0 is what? It is a reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal 0, sin 0 is 0. Reciprocal of 0 means of 0 we can write as 0 by 1. Reciprocal of this one is 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is what? It is not defined. It is not defined. So what is the value of cosecant 0? Cosecant 0 is not defined. Now next cosecant 30 is equal. To write cosecant 30, if you know sin 30, 30 is what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is, actually it is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means it is equal to 2. Next 1 by root 2, reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 by 2 is 2 divided by root 3. So 1 reciprocal. 1 means we can write as 1 divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1 reciprocal is, it is 1. Now how to write secant values? Take from this side. Otherwise take reciprocal of cos. Take reciprocal of cot or this cosecant, write it from this side. So that is 1. That is 2 divided by root 3. It is 2. That is square root of 2. Next to 2. Next it is not defined. It is not defined. Next cot. How to get cot? Take reciprocal of tan. Take reciprocal of tan. So 0 reciprocal. 0 reciprocal. 0 means what? It is 0 by 1. Take reciprocal means it is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? It is not defined. Next 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So that is equal to what? It is equal to root 3. So 1 reciprocal is 1. So root 3 is 1 by root 3. Not defined is 0. So reciprocal of not defined. Not defined. So not defined reciprocal is not defined right by 1 means it is 1 divided by not defined. 1 divided by not defined is infinite. Otherwise, so one more method. Instead of taking reciprocal of cot, tan, reciprocal of tan, and 1. Next 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Next is 0. So instead of taking reciprocal, start from here to write the thought values. So last takes as first box, second last takes as second, third one as it is. So fourth box takes as this box and this box takes this one. So these are the values of trigonometric ratios. So and it is easy to remember. So remember in this way. So first remember 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now we will see some questions related to this one. So first question, that is 2 sin square 30 degree, 2 sin square 30 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree. Tan square 60 degree. That's how to simplify this. Substitute the values. Already we discussed in your regular class. Now it is revision. So here that is equal to 2 sin square 30 degree. Sin square 30 degree means sin is repeated how much? It is 2 times. Sin square 30 is number. So sin square 30 means how we can write? Sin square 30 degree is equal to, we can write sin 30 degree into sin 30 degree, right? So what is the value of sin 30? It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So together we can write as 1 by 2 whole square, right? Sin square 30 means sin is repeated 2 times. First write the value of sin 30. What is your sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. It is whole square. Sin square, it is 1 by 2 square. Next minus 3 cos square 45. Again it is 2 times. What is the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So it comes as 1 by root 2 square. Next plus tan square 60. Tan 60. Tan 60 is how much? Root 3. So tan square 60 is root 3 whole square. It is root 3 whole square. Understood now substitution? So if it is a square, it is 1 by 2 square. Suppose it is sin cube 60. Suppose if it is sin cube 60, how to substitute value? First substitute sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 divided by 2 whole cube. Right now sin cube 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 cube. So therefore whole cube. Suppose it is tan power 5 0 degree. So what is the value of this one? First write tan 0. Tan 0 is what? It is 0. 0 power 5 is 0. 0 power 5 is 0. Clear? So now next simplification. So 2 into, it is 1 by 2 whole square. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2 square root whole square. So how to write? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus root 3 whole square. It is root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Now see 2 means it is 2 by 1, right? Is it LCM here? No. Why it is not? Because into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 and 2 we can cancel. What is left in numerator? 1 divided by 2. Now next minus 3. Already you know this one. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root. So 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is how much here? Root 4. Root 4 means it is 2. So many times repeated this time. So next plus root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9. Root 9 means how much it is? 3. Clear? So that is equal to 1 by 2, 3 into 1. This is minus 3 into 1. Is it possible to cancel this one? No. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Now 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3. How to simplify? By taking LCM. So to take LCM, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Now see the denominator. Denominator is what? 2, 2 and 1. So now here LCM of 2, 2, 1. What is the LCM of this one? Already you know. 2, 2, 1 LCM. 2 is common factor. 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 as it is, which is equal to 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. So which is equal to 2. What is the LCM of this? LCM of that is 2. You know this. So that is equal to what? 2. Next 2, how much is 2? 2 ones are 1 into 1 is 1 minus 2, how much is 2? 2 ones are 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1, how much is 2? 1 twos are 3 into 2 is what? 6. So now simplification. 1 minus 3 plus 6. 1 is plus 1 minus 3. How much it is? Greater is different. So subtraction. 3 and 1 subtraction is 2 and it is greater minus. So minus 2 plus 6. So now again different sign, subtraction 4. 6 and 2 subtraction is 4. Which is their greater? Greater is plus. So answer is what? Plus 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer is 2. So what is our answer? Answer is 2. So this type important for 2 marks. I think you understood, right? So only thing is remember this table. So without remembering you can't substitute them and you can't score. So no need of remembering all these. Just this one, that is it should be in this order and this also in this order. Next just remember first line and you can write any other values of this table. Next question, sin 30 degree, sin 90 degree, that is minus sin 90 degree plus 2 cos 0 degree whole divided by tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree. 2 marks important, 2 marks important question. So mark this in your notes. So which is equal to, now substitution. Sin 30 degree. See the table. What is the sin 30 degree? It is 1 divided by 2. Right? Next minus sin 90 degree. What is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. Next plus 2 cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is 1. Whole divided by tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3 into tan 60 degree is what? It is root 3. Clear substitution? Yes. Now the numerator. This is your numerator. This one is your denominator. Now how to simplify that numerator? Numerator is 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 into 1 is plus 2. Right? You can simplify this 2. So this is not a natural number or whole number, integer. So here 2 and minus 1. So this is fraction. We can't add this with this one. To add this with these two, we have to take LCM. Otherwise, you can see like this. Plus 2 minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So plus 1 and 1 by 2. Next is simplification. Otherwise, we simplify as usual. So it is 1. Minus 1 means 1 divided by 1. 2 means it is 2 by 1. Whole divided. See, 1 by root 3 into root 3. 1 by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 means what it is? 1. Root 3 by 1. So this root 3 and this root 3 cancel. What is left here? It is 1. So now your numerator is this one. This is your denominator. No need of writing this numerator and denominator for exam. Okay, that is for your reference I am writing. To avoid confusion I am writing. So this part is numerator, this part is denominator. Now how to simplify the numerator? Numerator simplification. So therefore I do here. It is 2 divided by, not the 2, it is 1 divided by 2. Therefore 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 1. Now how to simplify LCM? Right? LCM of what? 2, 1, 1. You know this. What is LCM of this one? That is equal to 2. Right? So therefore 2 is LCM. 2 how much is 2? 2 ones are. So 1 how much is 2? 1 2s are. 1 how much is 2? 1 2s are. So 1 into 1, next minus. 1 into 2 is 2, next plus 4. So what is our substitution here? That is equal to 2 is LCM. Next 1 minus 2 plus 4 whole divided by 1, right? So this is your numerator and this one is your denominator. Clear that simplification? So that is equal to 1 minus 2. How much it is? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is how much here? Plus 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 1. So this is your numerator and this one is denominator. So numerator by denominator, denominator is 1 means what is your answer? Otherwise I will change this one. It is 3 by 2. Denominator 1 means it is 1 by 1. So when it goes to numerator it is 1 by 1. So answer is 3 by 2. Here only you can stop it here. So answer is 3 by 2. No need of writing these two. So your answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Now next question. Next question. Tan 45 degree cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree. Yes, substitute. So what is your tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree is 1. What is your cosecant 30 degree? Cosecant 30 degree is 2. Right? Cosecant 30 is root 2 plus secant 60. What is your cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2 divided by cot 45 is how much here? 1 minus 5 into sin 90 is 1 divided by 2 into cos 0 is 1. Right? Now simplification, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 5 divided by 2. Right? So now take LCM of this. LCM of 2, 1, 2. Already you know, right? LCM of 2, 1, 2. How much it is? This is 2, 1, 2. So 2 is common factor. 2 ones are 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 2, right? So LCM is 2. Next 2 how much is 2? 2 ones are. 1 how much is 2? 1 twos are. 2 how much is 2? 2 ones are. So it is 1 plus 4 minus 5. So how much here? 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 divided by 2. Any number divided. So 0 divided by any number, it is 0. So what is your answer? Answer is 0.